welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm participating in the Congratulations Milestone collab, hosted by The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Glam Elegant Living, and myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to my other co-host channels will be in my description box below. So today, to celebrate Anna's milestone, I am preparing a beautiful celebratory tablescape. Today we are celebrating Anna reaching her 1,000 subscriber milestone. I too have just reached my 1,000 subscriber milestone, and I want to thank all of my subscribers, both those who have rode with me on the journey from the very beginning and my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much, because without the subscribers, we could not do what we do. So thank you all. And as a matter of fact, let's congratulate everyone who has reached a milestone, whether it's 500, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. Congratulations to all of us. Now on to today's tablescape. I started off with a gray curtain panel that I attached feathered boas to make a beautiful runner. Next, I came in with some gorgeous vinyl leather look placemats, black chargers from the Dollar Tree, and some thrifted black and white plates. This little bunny is placed on this chicken wire cloche that I created as a DIY. And if you haven't seen it, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Next, I'm coming in with some candles, glassware, silverware, beautiful table napkins, and a couple of other accessories to complete the look. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and watch me put the rest of this beautiful tablescape together. just make sure you stop by Anna's channel, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, to congratulate her on reaching her milestone. Links to her channel, all of the co-host channel, as well as the playlist will be linked in my description box below. So stop by and show us all some love. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope today's video gives you inspiration to create a non-traditional springtime Easter tablescape in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.